Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today I'm just going to go over with you a Mystery Birchbox. And this is actually a replacement box. When you first sign up, you can buy one box and get one free, and this was my free mystery box that came with it. And some of the items inside were damaged, so they did send me a replacement box. So let's go ahead and open and see what it's like. And already I'm crazy about the case. It's clear. I think this would be really good to hold like extra makeup and stuff in, so that's really neat. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out here is Verb Ghost Conditioner. The full size of this is valued at $18. It says it detangles, hydrates, and nourishes hair with a lightweight conditioner that's great for all hair types. And that's what that looks like there. And then it has a matching shampoo with it. And let's go ahead and just smell them because, I'll use these. They are sealed. Smells really good. It smells like a hair salon. I love it. Smells really good. So yeah, I could get myself a shampoo and conditioning out of this. The next thing is Dr. Botanicals P.O. Mask in Pomegranate. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this is a superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Full size of this is valued at $9.50. I'm not going to open this one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet or not. Kate Summerfield Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer Serum Hydration. That's what that looks like there. What is this for? This is just a serum for your face. And last but not least is Gimme Brow from Benefit Brow. Oh, it is just so cute and little. Oh my goodness, look how tiny. I don't even know if you'll be able to read that. It's so little. But it is cute. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh my goodness, I am just in love right now. Look how teeny tiny this is. Just so small. But to be honest, I think I would rather have a smaller brush for how tiny my eyebrows are than a bigger one anyways. So I am happy that I received a makeup product in here, even though it is a smaller one, because like I said, I could even save this and just use the brush in my bigger one. I know it probably won't go down that far. Maybe that's not a good idea. I don't know, but I do like the idea of different size brushes for the brows, especially for people that have thinner brows. Anyways, let's see here. So this case is just, I'm taking everything out so you all can see it a little bit better. This is just a really, really nice case. Definitely see myself storing some makeup products in here. I just wanted to share this with everyone. I know I already did the Birchbox and I'm done with Birchbox now, but I think it's really important that if a company does fix what they say they're going to fix, that I show it to you all, because there's just so many times that companies claim they're going to fix things and never do. So this is a company that obviously cares about their customers and making their customers happy. Since something of mine was damaged, no questions asked, I got shipped a new one even though I had already canceled my account. It's just really awesome of them. So Birchbox I definitely do recommend for someone that's interested in samples, for trying things out before you buy them, because of their wonderful customer service. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.